In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use AutoHotkey on mobile and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, AutoHotkey is a program primarily available on Windows PCs, which allows you to set up specific scripts. It is incredibly useful for day-to-day use if you have specific shortcuts that you rely on a lot, or even for specific games where you might be farming for items, resources, and so on. Can you use it on Android? First, if you go over to the website and you click on download, clearly the only version here is Windows. So they have version 2.0, 1.1. Even if you browse through other versions, you won't be able to find anything relevant to Android. They only have the exe and zip, and the only release here is indeed Windows. So what about Android devices? If we visit the Play Store and we look for AutoHotkeys, we can find some similar looking apps, AutoClicker, Voice Hotkey, and so on, but none of these are going to be the genuine AutoHotkey. So is it impossible? Sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that indeed, using AutoHotkey natively on an Android device or even an iOS device is impossible. AutoHotkey, the official app and the one that is by far the most popular for setting up scripts, is only available for Windows operating systems. So if you want to use scripts on a mobile device, you either have to look for similar applications that do the exact same function, or you need to find some sort of way to bring the screen of your mobile device into your PC that is running AutoHotkey, which isn't always easy to do. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that AutoHotkey is not available natively for mobile devices, and that you can only download it officially for Windows. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.